If you're looking for a super nice heavy hauler, check out this 2019 GMC Denali. This is a 3/4 ton pickup truck. This thing's very loaded. It's got power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, leather interior. Nice big cabin. It's got digital and analog gauges, cruise control, voice control. This also has navigation, dual climate control, heated and cooled seats. It's got power moonroof to let some sunshine in. Power rear sliding window. In the back you got plenty of room for more passengers. You got a fold down armrest. Flip up the seat bottoms, you got more cargo space. And as we move around the back, we've got the soft open tailgate, bed liner, plenty of room. Come down and level up with us today.